Hello everyone, Halo Lifts here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to operate your mid-rise scissor lift. We have the control panel here. First thing we want to do, once we've connected it to 110 volt power, is turn it on. There's a dial here, turn it clockwise, power light comes on, we now have power. Operating the lift is actually very simple. You have 3 buttons, an up button, a down button, and a lock button. Up button takes the lift up, obviously. The down button, it'll actually bring the lift up a few inches before it starts coming down. Do not be alarmed. That is to ensure that the locks are disengaging in order for the lift to come all the way down to your desired height or to the floor level. And then finally, the lock button is to bring the lift down onto the next locking position so that you can operate safely underneath the vehicle. We always recommend, once you're at your desired height, use that lock button to bring the lift down onto the locks, take pressure off the hydraulic system, and ensure safety. Now, let's take a look at how this all works. Let's go ahead and take this lift up using the up button. We'll want to press and hold that button down. As you can see, the lift comes up very smoothly. What you just heard, those are the locks clicking into the first locking position. There's actually a lock ladder underneath each of these, and it will ensure that you have multiple height settings that you can work safely under. Once you've reached the desired height, you're done doing what you're doing, you'd like to come down, you'll press the down button. As you can see, it'll go up before it starts to come down. You'll want to keep holding that down until you're all the way down to the floor. All right, there you go. Very simple. Now I'm going to take it back up. We'll speed the video up a little bit, and I'm going to show you how the lock mechanism works. All right, now that I've reached a desired height, I'd like to set it down on the locks. I'll come and press the lock button. You'll see it'll begin to drop and it will engage. Now, no matter what I do, I can't bring this lift down. I have to first take it back up for the locks to release before I can bring it down. So we'll go ahead and press the up button, get it up off the locks. Now that it's up off the locks, I can press the down button. You'll see it'll go up a little bit and then it'll begin to come down. While the lift is coming down, I do want to add, it's always important to grease the inside base of the lift so that way the lift comes down smoothly. Also, with the weight of a vehicle on it, it will come down a little bit faster than what you're seeing in the video. But having it greased consistently is a part of the maintenance and something I highly recommend. All right, and that's how you operate your mid-rise scissor lift. Thank you, and we appreciate your business.